Ah, okay. Oh my god. The thing about me is either I'm all in or not at all. Like,
Oh, the camera's on. So you're not hitting me.
oh. I'm literally like culture shocked right now. Oh my god. This is the best Friday so far. Sushi for lunch! Hey! Oh, it's closed! Okay, let's order. It's good to know though. Good for our viewers to know, right?
What?
That they don't do Rotary.
Because KEEMI never researched anything, she just goes.
Oh my god, you're so annoying. What, is this it?
I mean, we could comment.
Oh, there's more! Just slide it like that.
If you want, we could come back tonight.
No, it's okay.
Smoking dramatically.
Oh my god, soup is very like...
Rotary? No?
Oh, sweet. Next time we'll come back at night.
Yeah.
I just need to take care of myself. You gotta pull this.
What the?
That is so cute. I gotta show this. That is so cute.
That is cute.
Oh my god, it's coming. It's coming. It's so cute. I'm literally like culture shocked right now. That is the cutest thing ever. I think this is like a something sushi sandwich.
Why is it so big?
That is the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Culture shock.
ใช่แต่มันก็ไม่นอนหรอกก็มีคนชอบโดนเจอยาพ่ออยู่บ้านไม่ได้เนี่ย
Did you order any sashimi or you don't want sashimi today?
Ooh, what is this? I don't know. I'm so hungry. I just ordered whatever looked good.
That was so intriguing. I want to do it again.
I feel like everyone here though, they've been here, but they're like whatever.
Oh, they don't have a Pokemon.
I also for her to put like my address and her permanent address and stuff.
get the spider. You get the spider part?
I just only got this one.
Oh.
I'm getting pretty full.
Yeah, me too. The poke tuna is actually like the how poke, right?
Well, yeah, chunks.
Just like how,
The scallop so good.
yeah. I'm getting real full. Do you want to end with ramen or udon? Just one, split it, or do you think you're good? Do you want dessert? Go ahead. Hmm? Is that? Oh.
You get your ear pierced?
I have it pierced.
Oh, you do? Is it open?
I don't know.
Do you think mine closed?
I don't know. Do you wanna? Why?
Because my sister got these earrings for me for my wedding day.
But I don't want to get it
Don't
pierced.
you have a gun?
I do, but I don't know where it is.
So you don't have it.
It's probably in the.
Should we go to Claire's today? You don't get a tattoo. Do you want your...
Do I have like $1 million just coming into my
Oh
account?
god, no.
I'm not
I
a
could
cow.
tie. That's good.
They got tails on there, dude. They got tails on there.
And therefore, I'm not willing to put that level of
Oh, now you want
I'm done. You want dessert, babe?
Let's skip dinner.
I know, I can't. I gotta work out.
Hi, Mr. Ahmed. Ahmed, let's show them your bed. Let's show them your bed. Show them your bed. Biggity! Go on it, on it. Wow, so big. Heaven. Oh, you good boy. Stop. Shh. I'm listening. You don't have to yell. Just be like, oh, okay. Okay, no. Okay, what else happened? What else? What else? And then what? Huh? No. Shh. Tell me quietly. And then what happened? Hmm? And then what happened? You're done?
Yeah?
You tell Daddy now?
Yeah, what's up? What happened?
Okay. I told you. Talk gently. Okay. Shh. Like. Okay? Like. Say it. Do it. Why are you going to the camera? Are you telling the camera? Yeah? Don't tell the camera. They don't understand you. Only mom and dad understand you.
Man, where's your ball? It's definitely like a. Amen.
Hello. What a great meal, right? It was I think this is it's like the food wise it was like not, it was different. I think that's why I made it really unique, but not just that, you know, like there was the little cart that brings out your food, and I mean only if we got the Rotary experience too, it would be just like it would top a lot of sushi places that I used to like to go to. But it's just like the food, like I don't know if I should say it tastes better, but it's very different. Like they offer a lot of things on the menu that I don't see on a regular sushi restaurant. It's kind of, you know, it's unique. It's a really unique place.
It's
and
not just solid like tuna, or it always has something on it.
yeah, it's all, they made it very just complicated. Yeah, it looks complex. So I really enjoyed that.
You might get in shock. Your parents.
I was so shocked when I saw like a little car coming out. I'm like, what the hell is that? And I was like, it's us. It's our food.
We're from Boondocks.
But anyways, yeah, that's probably my only meal. We ate so much, we're so full. So but we are still getting, I'm still getting a dessert. We're gonna go to this place called Magnolia Bakery. It's in the city, you know, everything out. I'll just probably have a, like whatever going on here. If you guys want me to start writing down the information, like the address of the restaurants and the places that I go, let me know. I can start doing that. Or I just should. Or if you follow me on Instagram, I tag those places that I go to. So what I realized, it's been, you know, I've been trying to drink a lot of water, which I've been getting better at. But when I'm full, it's so hard to drink water. It used to be really hard for me in the morning to drink water. Like the first thing that I want to drink is not coffee but water. But it was really hard, but I got in the habit of it. But now it's really I didn't realize, 'cause I haven't been so full for a while, because you know I was on like a strict diet, so I was never really full. But today that meal made me really feel stuffed. And I came home, I tried to drink water. I can't drink. Maybe because I'm so full. But if you guys missed my post on Instagram, I've been trying to drink at least one bottle of this, which is 64 ounces. But once I get used to it, I think I'm going to bump it up to 1.5 bottle and then 2 bottles. It's so cold. Stay warm. Like me. I'm gonna eat it in a bit. Tom wants to play ping pong or pool against me. I guess he wants to lose because he never wins against me. Oh, you touched it.
Okay. 그렇지.
I 젖었다 내가. You're a sore loser. You're a sore loser. That's why.
That hole.
Will it? Oh! Hey, can you hold this right here? Should I not upload this because you're a sore loser? Oh, if you didn't make that.
Like this.
I need like No, Mr. Ame. Got a banana pudding and What's their song like type category?
K-pop?
No, like. Oh no! Oh, this is actually not what I wanted. What? Oh shoot. Oh. Oh my god, it's so good. That's what I got. I actually want the other type of cheesecake, but this is good too. 맛있어. Oh my god.
I'm sorry, I don't have any. Oh my gosh. Just a pure chocolate.
맛있다.
No,
Yes.
no, don't have to work up.
Got banana pudding. Have you had the banana pudding, babe? Oh my
There?
god. Oh my god, maybe I'm about to start my period or something.
It's like artificial banana. You know?
I love you.
I don't think they're known for artificial banana pudding.
Amen. What's Mama talking about? Artificial banana? Oh.
아무 거 아닌데.
Dude, somebody tried to do a bird box challenge and it crashes the car.
Oh my god, serious?
Yeah, some teen tried to.
A teen?
Yeah, a teen.
Oh my god.
진짜? 그럼 나서의 그 정도. 누구세요?
What a whore.
Me? Me?
Did you do something?
No, why? Who's a whore?
Her!
Who'd you talk to? I don't want to talk about my dark history.
You kind of revealed it on your own.
모르면 가만히 있어. 나도 다 알아. 언니 고2 때였어. 맞지? 미술 전공하고 싶었는데.
Oh my gosh.
마음을 돌렸어. 잊었어. 정말이야.
Just finished working out. Ah, look at the view. Yeah, I did like maybe a little over an hour of running, not running, jogging, walking, crawling. I'm just chilling here with Ami. I am really about to take advantage of this cheat day, which is gonna basically make up for the whole week that I ate healthy. Which I don't want, but like my stomach's telling me not to. My stomach's telling me to take advantage, I guess. Right, Ami? Right, Ami? See, you get to eat yum yum every day. Actually, no. I actually tried a dog food, the kibble ones, like a while ago. Like a friend of mine and I decided to like kind of try it. And then you know how they eat it very crunchy, like. But once we tried it, it's actually kind of pretty stale. Ah, okay. Why? Why can't I tell them? Huh? So yeah, like I felt really bad because it tastes like wishes. Good job, man. But he likes it, so it's okay. But it is Friday and I don't want to sleep early. Like, so the thing about me is either I'm all in or not at all. Like, if I'm on diet, I'm all in, like for the whole like 5 days, whatever. But if I decide to eat, like have a cheat meal, it becomes a cheat day. So I don't know if that's actually beneficial or not. I don't know. Should we go get some gyms? It's still traffic time, no? 아닌가?
No.
Hi, Meme. You wanna go out for a breeze? Maybe we should take him. 뭐 이렇게 좋아? 뭐 이렇게 좋아? Huh? You like getting petted here? Sketchy here? But oh my god, look at him. He always does that. Tong's watching these old commercials. So weird. He actually watches them as if it's a movie or something. Dork. Alright, should mommy get Jim's? Then you could film tonight, right?
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, and then I could just do my own little. I could watch a TV or something. Ah, with eating Jim's. Ah, right, Ame? Ah, and Ame gets some fries. Ah.
Oh, the camera's on. So you're not hitting me. Since the camera's on. We gotta act. I can't live like this. Please help me. Ah!
Oh.
We can't film porn. That's not what we do. Find us at Pornhub.com.
I want their fish burger and fries.
Ooh, yes.
Ah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Gems. Polish, fish.
For you?
Yeah. Polish and fish.
And fries.
I mean, they all comes with sauce.
Oh yeah, that's it. I think I should.
What about you?
I'm just gonna get fish. Family trip.
Bam bam.
Bam bam trip. Bam bam trip. So we park pretty up. So it takes about 10 minutes to get down to the main street. So we'll see you. Good Chicago. So beautiful. Oh hey. 80% of the time I come here when I'm drunk. But who isn't, right? Who doesn't come here drunk?
Get
Just fish,
fish.
and fries.
Should I just get fish and 두 개 하면 되겠지?
Fish and sauce Polish?
Yeah, that's more than enough, right?
I think that was the record. I think it took about 5 minutes.
Well, it's not starting yet. You know, it's like always 1
Oh,
or
that's so
2
true.
or 3
Yeah,
a.m.
nobody comes here. It's 24 hours though, right?
24 hours.
Yeah. Oh no, the battery's running low. Got a little light for my dinner.
Hey, don't hurt. You okay?
I just feel like I ate something wrong. I just want to throw up.
Oh.
I'm gonna make some volcano chicken noodles. And these are my, I don't know, it seems so greasy. I don't know if I want it, but just in case, I'll leave it right here. It's my nice
Just
dinner.
take a bite. You will be
I know, right?
oh,
Oh,
wow.
yeah.
It's worth everything.
It's looking at me and you.
Crazy.
This girl crazy. Oh shit. Oh damn it. This is after I mix it. Okay, well, I messed that up real good. God, this smells spicy. I can't boil it one more time. I always have some cheese handy. Yes. The cheese. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's spicy.
Is it?
Yeah, I didn't even eat it yet.
Oh, hey, Kevin, nice to join us. Where were you?
Ugh.
As a visiting professor, special lecturer, emeritus, how do you know the guest speaker in my emergency devices class in this school, business school. If you take the Boston class, obviously I'll go full letter grade. So, not so good.
It's good?
Which one?
맛있어?
This one?
It's air?
Yeah, I got cold.
Oh no.
정말 맛있네. Oh my god. This is the best Friday so far.
Ever since New Year.
Uh-huh. Pickle.
Hey, hey.
I was like, what is wrong with you guys? Food really makes me happy. I realized that in 2019.
Food makes everybody happy. Food gets everybody close.
Stick with one pickle too.
Brings everybody happiness. Yay, food. Food, glorious food.
A lot of times at school or neighborhood family, after a random speech, the crowd just throws hats high in the air. You understand, nobody's graduating. Yeah, I know. I'm just saying, if they did throw their hats up, I'd very high. May your hats fly as high as your dreams.
How much was total?
Huh?
How much was the total?
14 something.
It's cheap. Probably cheaper than McDonald's.
Okay, just so you know, it's just the students from the class and the student. I'm really happy to be back with Roy. I think it shows maturity. Maturity and dignity. Is that braggy? I don't mean it to be braggy.
Love you.
You too.
Thanks for joy. I'm Karen. And Brangelina. Moving on.
I can't believe you're back together with Roy. Oh, yeah. We have such a solid foundation, you know. Oh my god, you're so in love now? Yeah. Oh, you should come to my art show, by the way.
Hello. May I borrow some textbooks? Please. Thank you. Ooh, very, very interesting. You cannot learn from books. Replace these pages with life lessons, and then you will have.
We should do that for gender reveal.
How does it reveal it?
By colors, pink or baby. It's, so it's a girl.
This girl is cold.
I want a surprise. If we get a chance, it has to be a surprise for me.
What if I put rainbow?
This kind of confused the heck out of me.
That doesn't mean that you can't become a vampire. Only that it carries So, you want to start a business. How do you start? What do you need? Well, first of all, you need a building. Secondly, you need supply. You need something to sell. Now, this could be anything. It could be, and if you sell enough of them, you will make a 100.
So you will want to know your kid's gender before they're born?
I don't.
Oh really?
I said I want a surprise.
So what? So you can't do that kind of stuff.
True that. We don't have to do that because I want to know. I don't want them to tell me or doctors. Nobody.
Oh yeah, I want to know.
You, yeah, you. I know you because you are very impatient. For me,
I'm gonna sparkling water made it worse.
I want to know in secret.
Are those two different?
I put fish oil in there. Seems like you're not using it, so I'm not sure I should eat it. Fish oil. Should you do face pack?
Is that?
That cup one. One.
Yes, they are great for
Hey.
forward and front email. But real business is done on paper. Okay? Write that down.
If I ever get pregnant, I'm not gonna tell you.
Okay. Don't.
You like surprises, right?
I love.
One day I'm gonna walk in with a baby.
And then my brother keep forcing you shot. Congrats, guys! You can take some shots. Yes. Like fool.
I don't have a lot of experience with vampires, but I have hunted werewolves. I shot one once. But by the time I got to him, he had turned back into my neighbor, so extraordinary events call for extraordinary actions. Just to use sudden provocation. The tools to turn the page and lock Hamlet into a state. I say you will miss our service. I absolutely guarantee you'll come back. Has anyone ever come back? You don't want it back. How far is your Herfindahl base to climb? Nice try. How close is one minute?
My mommy's full. Come where my lips are. My paw. Hey. 아이고.
Hey, Casa.
I love you.
Sorry I'm late. I had to race across town.
Oh, Michael.
Wow.
Man, I tried sleeping next to you yesterday, but it was so cold. Hehehe.
That's why tonight is so special. Me and Mom, Shane's girlfriend. Oh, no, they're from Canada. Sure, might be good. Yeah, I went together. Save some gas. Have fun. Long trip. Thanks. Play some games. Oh. Nice spot. Why don't I want to go? Give me a reason.
Mommy, why are you so cute? Why are you so cute?
I don't know my name to speak.
Pa.
It's an obligation. I don't like talking paper in my free time. And typically